Welcome to our channel. If you want to customize your YouTube TV experience by adding more channels, follow these step-by-step instructions to expand your viewing options with add-on packages. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or visit tv.youtube.com on your web browser and sign in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to view your YouTube TV configuration options. Step 4. Navigate to Membership section where you can view your current plan and available add-ons. Step 5. Scroll down to see the list of available channel add-ons, such as premium networks, sports packages, or international channels. Step 6. Click on any add-on package to view detailed information about the channels included and the monthly price. Step 7. Select Purchase or Add to add the channel package to your subscription. You'll be prompted to confirm the additional cost. Step 8. Complete the transaction and the new channels will be immediately available in your channel guide. You can manage or cancel add-ons anytime from the same settings menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.